同埋有幾多張啊？兩張。
其實我知道今日香港時間咧，即係香港嘅12號，亦都係香港第一公映嘅，所以好開心可以知道香港我自己屋企啦，一齊喺即係同一時間睇過戲啦。咁好多謝發行商啦 ENG 追到戲帶嚟到香港咁呢個係合作姜濤嘅表妹 ENG 同埋佢嘅親人，歡迎多謝佢哋我哋一齊分享。
After watching the movie My Heavenly City, I feel it's a heartwarming and light-hearted movie. It's more artistic film. It is about Chinese immigrants moving to a foreign city like New York. In this case, it's Taiwan immigrants moving to New York. For their dreams and living, they had to sacrifice love, friends, family, and embrace the new surroundings. Oh my god, I really like the character that Garnto portrays his character as Jack. He already has a dancing background already. I wonder if Lotman taught him popping too. And this is also the first time seeing him kiss a girl, but he seems a little bit stiff on that part. Overall, I love the movie as it is really touching.
Like 6 hours.
Please support Ganto and this movie. If you are Ganto fans, please remember to support him and follow him. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.